Assalamualaikum, I'm Atika. I would like to talk about executive summary. The opportunity for travelers comes from the mistake of a major travelers. Visitors can save time and money while traveling. This website has a helpful map and show them the route and travel time to a great place in every state. Travelers will list some of the best shops and places in every country in Malaysia to make it easier for travelers who want to travel to make choice about where they want to go. Travelers can save their time from visiting many websites by simply visiting or using this travelers website. For business models and frames position, it goes against the popular B2C or business to consumer. In the case of travelers, our users are people who want to go on vacation or travel. Second is B2B, which is business to business. Travelers runs B2B with the owner of the shop and the place at the frame levels. Travelers is support activities, service to be offered. Travelers is a site listing interesting place and restaurants in every state of Malaysia. In Travelers have rates for every place and comment, so customers can make their own judgments. For our target audience, number 1 is beginner travelers. Travelers was created to help them make wise decisions, not to be fooled or to lose travel and never travel again. Second is backpacking. Travelers help them travel with their budget so that they can still enjoy traveling to interesting places. Last but not least, our target audience is teenagers and students. So we are targeting teenagers who want to go travel but at a budget they can afford.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratna Binti Muhammad Yudin. Today I would like to present about the generic strategy in the website. There are 3 generic strategy. First, different. Second, focused. And third, leadership. Then we move to how we going to generate revenue to sustain our operation and to become profitable. There are three ways to generate revenue to sustain our operation to become profitable. First, relationship selling. This is for to increase your sale are constantly emerging. However, some traditional methods are suitable for modern business. Building customer relationship is not a new idea. It's been a test time since its work. Then second, using the power of web. Traditional sale method can help you generate sale. Then the third, finance high volume sale. Then we move to define the basic requirement of functionalities for the website design. The function of a website is basically what a website can do, how it works. It covers everything from user action to dynamic content and interactivity. Providing the right functionality is critical to success of the site, and it should be an important part of the planning phase. Before your website is ever written, designed, or code, you need to have a clear idea of feature will offer. There are functional planning. First, website goal and purpose, audience recruitment, and the source. Lastly, we go to explain how we use some of Web 2.0 features in our website. The definition Web 2.0 is a name used to describe the second generation of the World Wide Web, where it translates static HTML page to a more interactive and dynamic web experience. Web 2.0 focuses on people's ability to collaborate and share information online through social media, blogs, and web-based communities. There are some functions of Web 2.0. First, for marketing, they use Web 2.0 are used for marketing. Many companies use this Web 2.0 for their business. Second, destination marketing. In tourism industry, social media is an effective channel for attracting tourists and promoting tourism product and service by engaged customer. Travel destination brand can be built through marketing campaign on the social media by engaged customer. For example, the Visit Malaysia Year campaign launched by Prime Minister aimed to bring awareness to the people to support interesting place in Malaysia as a holiday destination. The campaign uses social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others to promote places within Malaysia. As a result, many are aware of this place and can indirectly enhance the image of Malaysia in the eyes of the world. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sazawani bin Syaidan. Today, I want to present about competitor analysis compared with both online and offline competitor. A competitor analysis is the process of identifying your competitor and evaluating the strategy to determine the strength and weakness relative to your own business product and service. Next, the dedication of whether to get into the traditional offline business, a modern online business, or some combination of two is one of the most important discussions you can make. In addition, one of the problems entrepreneurs need to take care of is the online competitor. We are also review the same thing. They are not even offering the same product or service touch. They just want to find a place in the market and get the consumer attention to boost their profit through online platform. Lastly, so it shows the most online business nowadays earn more than offline business because it's easier to do and save time. Online sales are also confronted with different treatment and then offline sale. The next part describe how you are going to measure the success of your website. Now my traveling website is launched and live for the world to enjoy. You like to learn how your target audience profits it. To do so, it's important to look at the data and metric when evaluating your website progress because where you might be a worry about the value of making a good website. First thing, you need to set up an account in Google Analytics. Once you have an set up Google Analytics, you can begin measuring a variety of information. Let's break 6 key metrics to go into your website success. First, number of visitors, 2% of the new section, 3 channel, 4 bounce rate, 5 CTA click-through rate, 6 average time on page. The next part describe how your project team member use a collaboration tool to support their work. For this part, I don't need to explain anymore about this part because it's an individual assignment. So there was a difference determined by the member by the group about collaboration tool. The last part describe your marketing plan. Firstly, a marketing plan is an organizational document that describe an organization advertising strategy to generate lead and meet its target audience. The function and component of the marketing plan include the following: is a market research to support pricing discussion and new market interest. In addition, the term marketing plan and marketing strategy are often used interchangeably because a marketing plan is developed on the basis of a strategic operation framework. In fact, a marketing campaign looks at company value proposition. The value proposition is the ultimate value commitment to be provided to the consumer, and in a slogan, they appear at the front and center of the website of the company to other professional content. Lastly, a modification of a marketing strategy may be made at any state based on the metric performed. For example, if digital ad perform better than anticipated, the budget of the campaign can be changed to finance and higher performing network, or the organization can introduce a new budget. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Today I want to talk about web navigation. Web navigation is the process of navigating a network of information resources in the World Wide Web, which is organized as hypertext and hypermedia. There are different types of web navigation, such as hierarchical website navigation, global website navigation, and local website navigation. The purpose of the website navigation is to extend the local reach around the world. This is because the consumer can get access to the website from anywhere at any time. The second purpose is it can save money on printing and distribution costs by making an online brochure and catalog that can be changed or updated at any time. Next, I will talk about illustration of the navigation diagram for a website. The purpose of the navigation diagram for the website is to illustrate the navigation on the home page. Each page is a box with a file name. First, the user will open the website and fill in the requirement needed. After they finish fill the requirement needed, they will find their current state. After they find the current state, they will two results. The first result is they find a hotel in the area. If they find the hotel in the area, before they close the website, they need to give it a rate and then close the website. The second result is they not find the hotel in the area. They can choose to close the website or give an opinion to improve the website before they close the website.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Abdul Hakimi bin Alias. Every website's data must be stored physically on a computer that is connected to the internet to make the website visible on the web. There are many companies that offer hosting plan, and we choose Wix.com hosting plan because their offer meets our needs. ERP stand for Enterprise Resource Planning is important for our website because it helps in task management, expense management and more. Customer relationship management or CRM are also important to our website because it helps to maintain valuable information about our visitors. By making traveling a website, we can give more than what travel agent can. We also can generate more income stream such as ads, markup and more.
Hi, I'm Eng Se-yi, and now I will present about our privacy policy statement, the kinds of data we use, and the last one is financial planning. For our privacy policy statement, our website will ask about customer personal information such as name, phone, and email. We will not share customer personal information to public or with third party except required to law. We will also let them know why we collect it and how it will be used. For the kinds of data we use to collect have four. First is survey, second is social media monitoring, third is collecting subscription and registration data, and the last one is location-based advertising. All of these we can deeper understanding and help to meet customer interests, needs and wants. For the financial planning, we can know that every month of the total benefit are more than the total cost, and every month will also increase both total. This is all our presentation. Thank you for your listening.